How to enlarge all status bar icons in Samsung. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enlarge all status bar icons in Samsung. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now for this, you need to enable the developer mode. So if you haven't done that, scroll all the way down and tap on the option of About Phone. Now select Software Information. Here, find Build Number and tap on it a couple of times. Now enter your PIN and the developer mode will be enabled. Now head back. Scroll down and here you will find developer options. Tap on that. Now scroll down and find the option of minimum width, or it could also be smallest width. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to decrease the minimum width. I'm going to type in 320. Now tap OK. As you can see, now all the font and icons have been enlarged and the status bar icons has also been slightly enlarged. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.